my 7. I'm ripping in my 7, my 7, my 7. Okay. I'm flossing in my 7, my 7, my 7. I'm riding in my 7.
The garage and the lab, whatever you want to call it. CT is sitting pretty. So what I'm trying to do, man, I'm trying to make do with this router table that I purchased. Got it for like 20 bucks. You get what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes it might be missing some shit. So, what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, I've already pulled this plate. There's a plate that goes there. And what I'm going to do, or what I have done, is pull that plate off. I got it over here, and I've taken the router base plate, which mounts like so. So it mounts like so. 1, 2, there's 1, 2, and 3 holes. And so brought it over here. I gotta just try to match up some holes and see exactly how, pray tell, it would mount. Now, I was starting with like this Ryobi hole. I'm not even knowing if, well, I don't know if that's an actual Ryobi hole. I just seen RY and was like, that must be Ryobi. But I could be wrong. So, what I was gonna do, pretty much just center this up on here and just kind of rotate it until we found some holes that lined up. What I've discovered pretty much here is there is a hole right here, it looks like. I'll just put this screw here to kind of hold that one in place. And then there looks to be another screw hole, which is right here. So right here and right there seems to be like our money spots. Well, actually, no, that's not. It's not centered. I had it all lined up in perfect. But then it wasn't. So let me see. I think I pretty much got everything kind of lined up now. We put that screw right there. I don't know why, but it seems to be doing its job. So we just need a screw to go through there. It's a little offset, but we'll straighten it up. Same thing there. A little offset, and then this one at the bottom. But that'll give us the 3 screws into our base, which will hold a router there onto the base, and then this base gets mounted back on the table, and we're good to go. So that's the plan. Now we just need to take this so that we have the thread pitch of those holes and get three screws that are approximately well, now I think for the most part those holes are kind of countersunk. So I would say whatever size that is plus, let's see if we can fit it, just push it to the bottom and kind of see what we're lacking. So yeah, as you can see, it's coming through, but not all the way. So I would say maybe, let's What's that, about a half? That's about a half an inch. So maybe about an inch long. And that thread pitch, whatever it is. Actually, we have our handy dandy thread checker picture thingamabobber jigger that we got right here. Oh, hold on. So much Ryobi, so much Team Ryobi on the board. All right, let's see. This will kind of help cut down the time of our trip. Damn, did I just drop it? Just drop the fucking screw. Oh, there it goes. Lucky for us, it fell in the Milwaukee bag. Winner chicken dinner, metric M4-.7, and we needed about an inch. About an inch. So let's see what we can find. Go on and jump in this old Chevy. Head up here, go get these bolts right quick, get back before work. Cold start for you cold start fans. We're gonna run up here to the stove. We can't find these bolts. Get lucky for the one time. I'm gonna take this piece just in case. I know the size, I measured it, but you can never be too sure sometimes, so I'm gonna take it. Get it back up from the car stove. We got our little screws or whatever that we needed. Pretty easy to find. Got them for like a couple bucks. I mean, versus buying a whole nother router, I think he's winning at this point. We don't know where the fucking turn signal is. All right, so we back with our piece. Back with our piece. You can see screws like 23-30 cents a piece. You know what I'm saying? For, like I said, a couple dollars. We should have the hardware that we need to mount this to the bottom of this thing. I'm trying to get this done before I have to go to work. So as you can see, now we are mounted up, so to speak. So now let's just go screw this back to the table, put the rod in there, and see what happens. Alright, let's cut this thing on and give it a test. on the track, dude.